Right guys, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get that massive 100% deposit bonus with puprime. That's right, you heard it. If you were to deposit $1,000 today, they automatically upgrade it to $2,000 to trade with. Now there are obviously our terms and conditions, so stay right there. I'm going to break it all down for you. Now just before I do, remember I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we have it, guys. We are on the puprime website with the 100 deposit bonus webpage. Okay, so like I said in the intro, they will match the deposit in bonus credit. Okay, so this is for a limited time only. As you can imagine, if they did this all the time, it would not be profitable at all. Okay, so first deposit is 100% bonus up to $1,000. All subsequent deposits is 20%. So you not only do you get your first deposit 100%, they are giving you 20% on top of every other bonus going forward. That's 20% bonus up to $9,000. To activate the promotion, under the promotions tab, then simply make your deposit only after the promotion has been activated, and then simply get rewarded. 100% of the first 1,000 of your deposit will be rewarded as credits. Subsequent deposits be subject to a 20% bonus up to a maximum of 10 grand. Okay, so why is this important? Basically, you can absorb your losses and maintain your positions with trading credits. Okay, so unlike credit of other brokers, Prime's deposit bonus can be used to sustain losses as your credit are not removed when your equity goes lower than your initial credit. Okay, so other brokers, if you're at 1,200 and then you start losing, you'll be then down to number 5. For example, it says here, trader makes a deposit of $500, receives $500 in bonus credit, makes and closes a trade with $200 in profit, opens another trade. New trade moves against the trader and incurs a floating loss of $700. At this point, the trader with another broker will have the credits removed, causing the trades to be liquidated, so losing everything in turn. However, with puprime, credit still remains even when equity goes below the initial credits, allowing the trader to avoid a stop out and giving a chance to wait for a trend reversal. Once again, fast and easy account opening as well. We've done multiple videos on how to sign up, but I'll run it through. All you do is register, fund, and then start trading. It's honestly nice and simple, especially with their app on the go and their copy trading feature, which look out on this page for the copy trading videos that I've done personally. That is literally it. Like I said, 100% deposit up to $1,000, and then you get 20% on top on any other deposits you make up to $9,000. There we have it, guys. That was your 100% deposit bonus breakdown. Honestly, unreal. If you deposit $1,000 today, you'll be trading with $2,000. Now, obviously, with their copy trading feature, you literally can do it completely hands-free. Deposit the money and let a professional trader trade your money for you. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.